Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I discuss about the different type of relays. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Classification of relays. In this tutorial, we will see some commonly used relays. We will learn about the classifications of relays, different type of relays like lacing relays, reed relays, solid state relay, differential relays, automotive relays, time delay relays, and many more. A relay is a type of switch which can switch on or off with the help of a signal or pulse of electricity. For example, if you want to turn on or off an LED using a microcontroller, you can probably connect the LED directly to the I/O pin of the microcontroller with a current limiting resistor and send a signal to well turn the LED on or off. But what if you want to turn on or off a 10-watt main powered LED bulb using a microcontroller, as the LED is tiny device with small voltage and current requirements which are reasonable for the microcontroller? It is connected directly to the I/O pin of the microcontroller. Types of relays. There are different types of relays like electromagnetic relays, lacing relays, electronic relays, non-lacing relays, reed relays, high voltage relays, small signal relays, time delay relays, multi-dimension relays, thermal relays, differential relays, distance relays, automotive relays, frequency relays, polarized relays, rotary relays, sequence relays, moving coil relays, Buchholz relays, safety relays, supervision relays, ground fault relays. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.